sitting here. Entering here and it's on to this unit, okay? And then we've got a power cable and a comms cable running to the control panel. Happy with that? Okay. We've got a base tank scenario, so we've got our two fuel lines, supply line to the filter, from the filter goes to the fuel pump. Okay, now on a factory set and a government controlled engine, the fuel pump sits in the front. Happy? Because it runs on a gear. Okay? But on an electronic engine the fuel pump doesn't matter. Okay? It doesn't even have to be mechanically driven, it can be electrically driven. Okay? Because the injectors is opened by the ECU. Okay? The fuel pump on a mechanical engine's got timing. If you turn it, it increases the pressures. On an ECU engine, the ECU checks where the position of the piston sits with sensors, and then it sprays fuel. Happy with that? But the principle stays the same. Okay. Now if we look at this engine, I've got my air filter turbo sitting on that side, fuel coming in here. This pipe here that you see here, this is the common rail. Happy? So on a factory set engine and a government controlled engine, keep in mind your fuel pump will have a line to each injector. It does not have a common rail. Okay?